Understanding Treasury Bills, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to dive into the world of finance and learn about Treasury Bills, commonly known as T-bills. Whether you're new to finance or just curious about how these financial instruments work, this video is for you. Let's get started and unravel the mystery of Treasury Bills. Treasury bills are short-term government securities issued by the U.S. Department of the Treasury. They are a safe and secure investment option as they are backed by the U.S. government. T-bills are issued with a maturity of less than 1 year, making them an ideal investment for those looking for short-term options. When you buy a Treasury bill, you're essentially lending money to the government. Unlike other securities, T-bills don't pay periodic interest. Instead, they are sold at a discount. This means you buy them for less than their face value, and when they mature, the government pays you their full face value. The difference between the purchase price and the face value is your interest or profit. Investing in T-bills can be a smart move for several reasons. They offer a low-risk way to earn a return on your money. Since they're backed by the government, there's a very low risk of default. They're also very liquid, meaning you can quickly turn them into cash if needed. Plus, they can be a good way to diversify your investment portfolio. You can purchase Treasury bills through the Treasury Direct website or through banks and brokers. There are regular auctions for T-bills, and you can either bid a specific price, competitive bidding, or accept whatever yield is determined at auction, non-competitive bidding. That's a wrap on Treasury bills. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what T-bills are and how they can be a valuable part of your investment strategy. Remember, it's always important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.